Song I did with Eric Roberson, one of the songs.
Yeah. Going out to all them chicks out there if you on it. You know what I'm saying?
So I used to work with Eric Roberson a lot back in the late 90s. This is definitely one of his songs.
Yeah.
What is this?
Sitting on the subway, singing a song, the hottest young girl. Get me wrong. Sitting on the subway, singing a song, the hottest young girl. Get me wrong. Closing my eyes and just realizing how much time this is up. Sit back and listen, but please pay attention to just how the story goes. Friday, you were hot with the time we met. Fucking lovely, with eyes that I will never forget. I gave her my number, she called me that evening. We talked almost the whole night long. Told me her story, I sat back and listened as if she was singing a song. Sitting on the subway, singing a song, the hottest young girl. Get me wrong. Sitting on the subway, singing a song, the hottest young girl. Get me wrong. Closing my eyes and just realizing how much time this is so. Sit back and listen, please pay attention as I continue on. A man, but the kid wasn't doing right. She said she loved him, but all they did was fuss and fight. She wasn't gonna call me for something deep inside of me loved.
That is crazy. So, if you joined the live, this